Located near the village of Tapalpa within a forest, this house is designed to harmonize with its natural surroundings. It balances collective leisure areas with private retreats, creating a seamless blend of shared and individual spaces. The structure consists of a single linear volume that adapts to the topography and respects existing trees, with two main areas: a social zone with the kitchen, dining, and living spaces, and a private bedroom area elevated for privacy, enhanced by adjustable window systems for tailored views. The materials and design emphasize integration with the landscape. Local stone forms solid, grounding elements, while glass contrasts to create openness. Various wood tones are used to add warmth and natural character, with concealed wooden panels seamlessly integrating service areas and bathrooms. Inside, the stone transforms into a sculptural feature, framed by steel and wood, which blurs the line between indoor and outdoor spaces. A hybrid structural system combines traditional craftsmanship with prefabricated methods for efficiency and warmth. Steel beams and columns highlight the house's linear design, while carefully crafted joints and wooden frames lighten the structure's visual weight. The result is a house that feels both modern and deeply connected to its natural environment.